we're going to do another kitchen discoveries, and we're going to do this one, make ice cream without a freezer. And it is basically like the easiest thing that I ever seen on earth. So yeah, let's get started. So what you need, guys, is a container, any container, as long as it can fit the cup in. As long as it can fit the cup in. So yeah, and you need chocolate powder, any chocolate powder, Overtime, Horlicks, or any chocolate powder, or yeah. So you need a ice cream spoon, ice cream scraper. So I just bought this at Kmart, and I bought the chocolate at Woolworths, and I bought these at Woolworths, and I bought this cup at McDonald's. It was free, but you can be usually any cup. Like, I could use even this blue normal cup, which probably I will because it has an eye in it. So, yeah. You need a tablespoon. And you need your kitchen book, if you have one. If you don't, just follow along to the steps. And you also need ice cream. And before you start this whole thing, set ice in the freezer and leave it there for, yeah. And also have ice cream ready. You also need ice cream. My ice cream, you'll probably melt when I reach up to that stage. Ooh, and last of all, you need milk. So, yeah, it could be any milk. I bought this at Woolworths, Coles, any of the food stores. You probably find milk, but the usual ones are Coles and Woolworths. So, yeah. And if somehow your food store runs out of it, you can just go to Coles and Woolworths. Yeah. Let's get started. So, I'm just going to set up my camera, so just wait. So, all you need is, for now, you just need a cup. And you also need, just checking the book, you need chocolate powder, milk, and that's all you need for now, and a tablespoon. So, yeah. So you have your cup here, and you just gotta put it here, and just put all of these first. I'm putting my chocolate first, your chocolate powder. I don't care if it's overlaying, but I don't really care. So you can just flatten it, and in the book it said 1 tablespoon of it, of chocolate powder, so it can be normally any chocolate powder. But yeah, tablespoon. But if you really like chocolate, you can have just a little bit more, just a little, or the experiment wouldn't work. But yeah, I put 2 tablespoons because I love chocolate, so like who wouldn't? And after that, you've got your cup, right? You've only got to put like 1 tablespoon of milk, and yeah, I know that's really weird, but and I am opening my milk, and it is new. Yay! You only need 1 tablespoon. You need Parents Guardians on this one because it includes like kitchen stuff. So yeah, and then after that you just have to stir it. But if you want your ice cream to be like huge, just pour some milk and then pour some more chocolate, because you don't want just a lot of milk and just a tiny bit of chocolate. Pour some chocolate powder in it. You've got your chocolate powder, so yeah. I don't know about you, but I love chocolate. And I'm just gonna put some more on, because I think in the book that you don't even need like, in the book you also need cream, but I don't have cream, so I'm replacing it with milk. So yeah, you need milk and cream, but I'm just gonna add some more milk to the cream area, because I've got no cream, So it's just gonna be a no cream ice cream. It's just gonna be, yeah, it's just gonna be ice cream without the cream. So after that, you just mix it, stir it really good, and you stir it when there's no chocolate bumps, and that's like the best part. And you can taste you can try to taste like only a little bit of it. You can taste some, but yeah, your ice cream's still not done. So you need to stir it like for a really long time, because you need all the bumps gone, and they are really hard to do, but they can just be like 1 or 2 or 3, because you know it's chocolate powder. And by the way, you don't need this, but I need it. Because I have nut ice cream, so I don't want any nuts in my ice cream, so I just need this, so just to like capture the nuts. So yeah, I hate nuts. Well, I only like it a little, but not in ice creams. And guys, I'm running out of ideas, so comment down below what kind of other videos I can do. So after you put that, it says you put some, yeah, and then you put some, you stir it, and then you put it in here, without the spoon, sorry, I'm using the spoon because I've got nowhere to put it. And you have to just put ice all around it, so I'm just going to get my ice. And I've only got a couple because, yeah. It's going to be very loud. So I've got like 3 ices. You just put it all around. And sorry guys, I just remembered. You need a towel. You need a towel for this. I'll be just taking out the ice, so you guys just, yeah, I'm just gonna pause it now. Okay, as you can see, guys, I put all of these in. So, yeah, I put some ice in, and I've got a big bowl of ice here, and I can just put it in. But, yeah, it's freezing cold, and it can't fit in here, so that's a problem only. And, oh, I forgot one step, so you need the ice cream. Hi guys, so I've got the ice cream. So yeah. So yeah. I've got my ice cream and it is coconut. So yeah, that's where the ice cream scooper comes in handy. And all you do is just scoop the ice cream. Only some, not a lot like this whole thing. Just, you only need like a little. So guys, you put it in the cup. So you just put it in the cup. Okay. So yeah, I've got it. And after that, you don't need any more ice cream or ice cream paper. So I'm just gonna lick it. And let's put that back. So after that, you just need to stir it.
What's up, guys?
And it is has ice cream in it, so yeah, as usual. Stir it, and then you get this. Well, I'm gonna do this. You guys don't have to, because if you have any particle ice cream, like nut ice cream, you need to do this. Well, all you need to do, it's very simple. All you need to do is pour all of that in this very big net, because my one is nut ice cream. So yeah, my one is nut ice cream. So you find some nuts in it. So I just don't want any nuts in it. Good job. And you find particles like these. And now, put that out and put that aside. And as you can see, you've got your very own smoothie bowl. And so yeah, you probably can't see it. It has chocolate in it. And it looks way better than before. So this is how it looks like, guys. And it's very flat. It's like this. You just need towel. So all you do is pour over this. And you wait for 1 hour and you have your ice cream. So thanks for watching my video. And if you don't believe me, it says in here, by the way. So yeah. Thanks for watching.